In the last 2 years, Verizon only added LTE coverage for 5 million people. T-Mobile? They added 100 million.
Verizon didn't tell you that, did they? T-Mobile doubled its LTE coverage in the last year, now reaching nearly everyone Verizon does. Plus, our extended range LTE goes twice as far and is 4 times better in buildings than before. And T-Mobile is America's fastest 4G LTE network. Switch today. Buying smartphones for the whole family is expensive, not at T-Mobile. For a limited time, check out our half-off smartphone event. Get one of our most popular smartphones and get the second one at half price. Need more? Buy another and get the fourth phone at half price too. Smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy S6, Note 5, and many more. Hurry to T-Mobile's half-off smartphone event while it lasts and get the whole family a smartphone today. Family need new smartphones but don't like the looks of the price tag? Then get to T-Mobile today. For a limited time, snag one of the hottest new smartphones and get a second for half off. Need more? Buy another and get the fourth phone at half price too. Grab smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy Note 5, the Galaxy S6, and many more. Plus, we'll even pay off your switching fees. So hurry to T-Mobile and hook up the whole family with new smartphones today.